It's time now to close our eyes. And just settle in to your breath. As you inhale and exhale, if any thoughts wander in, acknowledge them and let them pass. As you breathe in, feel your heart slightly lifting up to the sky. Feel the crown of your head lift, create space. Feel the space in the room. Feel the space in your body. As you open your heart, feel a lightness throughout. Soften your face, your eyes, soften your jaw, your lips. Feel your shoulders relax. Create space between your neck and your shoulders. Become still. Imagine yourself on a beautiful tropical beach. The sun is shining down, and there's a nice cool breeze in your hair. As you walk, you notice an oasis in the distance. You start to walk toward the lush tropical bushes and trees. And as you part the luscious foliage, you walk through. And on the other side, you find yourself in the most serene garden. Beautiful gardens. And you notice a glistening pond. You start to walk closer to the pond. As you walk closer, you notice someone standing by the water's edge. You are drawn to this beautiful soul. And as you get closer, you notice that this person is you. This is the best version of you. The person you have longed to be. Feels familiar. You feel a sense of safety and serenity in this presence. A sense of knowing. A sense of belonging. It brings you peace. Your best self lovingly reaches out for your hands and looks into your eyes and tells you a message. What is that message? You graciously receive these words. You thank this person for their insight and wisdom. And as they leave the garden, you stand by the water, feeling the energy of the message, the energy of your being, becoming your best self. And as you walk back to the beach, you feel different. You feel renewed, refreshed. You feel like the most you've ever felt. It brings a smile to your face. You're feeling more aligned. You're feeling open to the possibilities. What is seeking to emerge through you? As you come back to your body, you're acknowledging and reflecting on the message you received. Hold that message close to your heart and feel gratitude for its wisdom. Gratitude for life fills your body. You see now the best version of yourself emerging. You see now that what you're longing to change is easier than you think. Slowly open your eyes and feeling your fingers and toes, becoming aware once again of the sounds in the room. You're in the right place and feel excited for the infinite potential within. And I thank you so much for spending this time with me, and I hope you have an amazing day. The light in me sees and acknowledges the light in you. Namaste.